Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to append Excel data and log historical values. When you collect and analyze dynamic data that changes on a regular basis, you can keep a historical record rather than replace old data with new. This allows you to keep a record of old data entries, track progress over time, and analyze historical trends. Here I'll show you how to use Sheetgo to append Excel data to another sheet at regular intervals, generating a historical log of data. In this example, I'll use a data set with the USA stock market indexes. So let's get started. Click the link in the video description below to sign up for Sheetgo. This will take you to the Sheetgo web application where you can sign up using your Google, Dropbox, or Microsoft account. Click Create Workflow and then click Create Connection. Give the workflow a name at the top of the screen. Here I'll call it Workflow Append Data. You can also name your connection. I'll call it Connection Append Data. First, you need to select your data source. This is the Excel file you want to import data from. Click Sheet Files and then select Files to locate the Excel file from your Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or SharePoint folder. In order to find your source file, you can copy and paste the URL of your spreadsheet. Now I'll select the File tab, S&P 500. You can choose whether you want to transfer formatting or not. I recommend enabling this feature in order to retain formatting in your destination file. Now click Next Step. You can select a data processor if you want to filter the data or split it into multiple spreadsheets. Click Skip to continue. Now, you need to select your data destination, the Google Sheets file you want to export your Excel data to. Under Send to, select Sheet Files. You can either let Sheetgo create a new Google Sheets file automatically or choose a file that's already in your drive. Here I'll let Sheetgo create a new file. Under File Name, I will rename the file. I'll call it Stock Market Indexes. You can also rename the tab. I'll call it Data. Enable Append Data by sliding the button to the right. Now click on Finish and Save to create the connection. To update the data, click Run on the menu bar. This will update the connection and pull the latest information from the source file into your destination file. To make sure it's always up to date, click Automate and schedule automatic updates as often as you need. The workflow will then update automatically, without you having to open Sheetgo or either of your spreadsheets. Now you can build a chart to show historical data. Click on the destination file to open it. Select the column with the data you want to visualize. Find the chart icon on the top menu bar and click on it. You can choose the chart type in the chart editor. I'll choose Line Chart. That's how you can append Excel data and log historical values. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit Sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.